All right, y'all, I got on my chicken socks. That means we're about to go out to the garden and do some scratching. Yeah, scratching, aka digging. So let's go. I have been noticing some things changing in the garden, and I want to share those with you. There's the chicken coop area, just FYI for those of you who have been wondering. We haven't really done anything with it. We laid the barrel down like that, so there would be no water in it, no chance of any standing water for mosquitoes. A nice rooster declaring the day. But we have not had a chance to go in there and set that back up to get chickens again. We've been waiting for that time, and we're not really sure we want to get into that right now, but we will be doing chickens very soon, meat birds as well as some layers. So let's go into the garden. Look at that. Exactly. Oh, for those of you who don't know, these are our sweet potatoes. They have been going crazy, but now as you see, they're dying back, which to me means it's time to harvest. So let's start digging these up. Since I don't have a pitchfork for this job, at least the correct pitchfork, we're gonna be using a shovel. But we're gonna dig these up and see if there are indeed sweet potatoes underneath the ground. Okay, first things first, let's go ahead and just rip out all the greenery. Let's just get all that out of the way. I think the perfect place for all these vines will be inside this grow bed over here that I have not put the soil in yet. So we're going to throw all the vines over there. That's going to be another hugelculture bed soon. It's going to be interesting to see what's underneath all this. Ugh. I want to rip my fence down. The vines had all gone through the fence, which definitely needs work because it looks like it's falling over. I hope this is a representation of what is underneath the ground. That would be awesome. You can tell it's wintertime because if it wasn't, there would be a ton of bugs under here. And I have not really seen hardly any. I'm going to dig where the main branch looks like it's coming from. That's right here in this area. Check this out. Wait for it. Wait. Wait. Look at that, y'all. Why it's coming up out of the ground, I don't know. That has got me super stoked to dig all. Oh, it broke. That one broke. Let's try not to break the other one. Our first two sweet potatoes. It's another little tiny one. Oh, look. I guess I gotta be more careful with my clumps. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Ah, that's why having the right tools for the job is so important. This was a nice size one. I gotta be more careful. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's some in here. Yes. Oh, wow. But it's split open. It looks like it might have healed over. I can't tell. Look at that. Don't want to rub on them too much because then you get the skin scratches like that. They're either these really long skinny ones, which are kind of weird, or the shorter ones. That's kind of different. I want to see if I can get all the way to the end of this one. More roots going under this grow bed. I really hope there's no potatoes under there because they're not going to be harvested. Wow, this is getting crazy. Make sure you can see the full length of this sweet potato that I'm digging up. Okay, found the end. This is it. Okay. I don't know. That's a bizarre sweet potato, but you know. Okay, there we go. For those of you who don't know, this is our first sweet potato harvest in our garden, And we didn't even plant these sweet potatoes. The year that we planted sweet potatoes, we really didn't get anything. And this was a volunteer, which, as you see, has produced a few sweet potatoes. Oh, here's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, that one's still going underneath. Some of these looks like they're all the small ones. Yeah. Check it. Ooh, sorry about that. Our biggest one yet. It's pretty gnarly looking, as you can see, but that's that looks crazy. Oh boy. Okay. Think we got the mother load here. There's that one. That one. That one. Small one. Beautiful. Look at that baby. Oh yeah. Sweetness. Now that I'm using the pitchfork, I think I'm going to go back through and just loosen up all this soil and see if there's anything in this front half right here and see where we are right now. We have got a lot of the area dug up, but still quite a bit more. Check out our harvest so far. Nice. And all those that are not in there yet. So we are doing quite nicely. Okay. See what we got. It's like digging for buried treasure. Yes. Lots of those little tiny ones. Got some decent sized ones over here too. Oh yeah, let's get in there, people. Let's get in there. Oh yeah, there's quite a few down below. Check it out, y'all. That's from that one mound back there. There's a lot of them. It's two little twinsies. Check it out. Very nice harvest there. Some nice sized sweet potatoes. Thank you for stopping by Arizona Homestead today. We appreciate you, and we hope that you enjoyed this episode. And if so, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining us on this journey. And as always, my friends, be happy, be well, and be blessed. Until next time, bye-bye.